maybe the practice triangle will make sense now. You've got your guitar. You right, man? Guitar, you've got your notes, and you've got the recording. Okay? Now, you can put it on, you can just put the recording on in the car and tap, and don't tap your foot too hard if it's on the gas, like, but just tap your foot. Feel that pulse, and you can just let that feel, just, or play it while you're doing the washing up or whatever, But you can actually, if you ever want to, you can sit down and read the notes while you're listening to the record, and that'll do what we've been doing here. Because what you're looking for is, you hear the pulse in the record, and you look out for where the words reinforce where the words land on the pulses that you're marking. And you'll find all kinds of things, because if you put a faster pulse on, it's like, watch this one. It goes, if you do that one, it's like, talking to a songbird yesterday, take me to a place not far away. There's a lot more spacer pulses. So you can do different subdivisions, and it'll teach you different things about the rhythm of the song. But then you can play, once you've got the feel of the song in your ear, you can play the guitar along with your notes, because you've got a good model in your head. But there's no point playing along with your notes unless you can hear the song in your head. There's literally no point. You just go home and... So the two things you can... And then the other thing is you've got the functional things about chord changes. You've got to be able to make the change, which you can do outside of the song. So the point is, if you want to improve, if you want to practice, you go home, you leave your guitar out, and when you get a chance to pick up, you just practice, you change your left hand from G to E minor. And then, aside to that, get to know the song as casually as you want, or as structured as you want, with a sheet, or just listening, until you know that song and the rhythms and the rhythm of the language and that kind of stuff. You don't need to know the words, but you'll almost inevitably learn most of the words because you'll be listening to it that much. And the great thing is you learn the guitar without playing, because that's the easiest bit. It's took me an hour to do that, hasn't it? So, I thought it was a 15-minute jobby, but there you go.